Israel's military said they had conducted limited ground raids into the Gaza Strip overnight to fight Hamas fighters. The army said the strikes were aimed at destroying sites where Hamas was assembling to attack Israel. Israel's military added that their airstrikes were focusing on sites where Palestinian militants were assembling to attack any wider Israeli invasion. In a televised briefing, Israel military spokesperson Rear Admiral Daniel Hagari said that the country's ground forces carried out some raids inside Gaza. He said that the raids had been conducted by the armored and infantry battalions. During the night, there were raids by tank and infantry forces. These raids are raids that kill squads of terrorists who are preparing for the next stage in the war, he said, describing incursions that went deep into Gaza. He also said the Israeli forces were trying to find information on missing hostages. Over 200 people were taken hostage by Hamas operatives when they infiltrated and attacked cities in southern Israel on October 7th. In retaliation, Israel has pummeled the Hamas-controlled Palestinian territory with airstrikes for over 2 weeks and is also mobilizing troops along the Gaza border for a ground offensive. The Israeli military said it had hit over 320 military targets in the Gaza Strip over the past 24 hours. The terror targets struck included tunnels containing Hamas terrorists, dozens of operational command centers and Islamic Jihad terrorists, military compounds and observation posts, the army said in a statement. Izz al-Din al-Qassam Brigades, the armed wing of Hamas, said in a statement issued on Sunday that its forces had engaged with an armored force infiltrating east of Khan Yunis in the southern region of Gaza, and the fighters had returned to base. Fighters engaged with the infiltrating force, destroying 2 bulldozers and a tank, and forced the force to withdraw before they returned safely to base, the statement said. There was no immediately Israeli comment about the destruction of Israeli equipment or vehicles.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.